Okay, so we went to the dollar store.
We buy it on Earth, and I think it's very fun since we're gonna make slime.
Slime. Okay. Now you have everything that you need.
Look at the video.
Okay. Put your bowl with you. Closer, Elijah. Now let's read them. Okay. So first, use the measuring cup to measure 15 ml of glue into 10 ml of hot water in a bowl. Okay, let's do it. I will help you to measure those ones. 15 ml of glue. They measured it in a measuring cup, and then they are pouring now in a bowl. And then measure 10 ml of water in your measuring cup, and then drop it there. Okay? Water. Mix 10 ml of water. Yes.
Wait,
Did you scrape it all the way?
not so much.
Okay. So next, you are going to pour 10 ml of water. Okay, pour it now, guys, into that glue.
Not finished yet.
Not finished?
Poured it.
Is it not yet 10 ml?
Yeah.
Okay. 10 ml of water?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Yes.
Yeah.
And then, what is next now? Then you have to select a packet of glitter. Where are your glitter?
I want to use. I'm first gonna use both of them. I'm using only one.
One half only. One half of the packet of glitter. One half of the packet of glitter. So only half. Okay, pour half only. Half of it. Do not put everything. Like is there any problem?
Yeah.
One half.
One.
You just pour it.
No.
It would be quicker. You will estimate the half of it.
I'm scared.
Manong, can you help adding to pour half of its glitter? Elijah, it seems that you're putting a lot. Too much there. One half of the packet of glitter.
Is it here?
Come on.
This some.
One half. Okay. Just blend it.
So,
Come on.
what for the cornstarch?
Maybe, but use one popsicle sticks to blend it all in a bowl. Always use the mixing stick to combine the ingredients. Avoid using your hands to mix. Continue to stir all of the ingredients until it is smoothly blended together.
I don't know why some glue is on me. Probably Micah's looks like a little just because it's gray.
Yes. From this 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, you pour the 15 ml of water. Okay, pour it now into your cornstarch.
Here, like
Yes.
this one.
Did you measure 15 ml now, Laika?
I poured it.
Pour it in your cornstarch,
I poured it. Can I use a different?
and then use your mixing stick
Can I
to.
use the different one? Mixing stick.
Yeah, mix it. Mix.
Different. This.
It says there. Yeah, mix
This
it.
one.
Yes.
The
Yes.
one with the sparkles.
Use the other one. Use mixing stick to stir as much as possible. And then after you mixed it, and pour the starch solution into the glue solution.
Mom, it's
Come on.
so little. Look at how much.
I know. Just as much as possible, it says there.
So hard.
Yeah.
You must be sure.
It says there you have to mix it as much as possible.
Can
Okay,
I
mix it with the glue now.
Can I use this?
Sure. Come on. As much as possible, mix it. You can use the big spoon like okay?
I'm using this.
Are you ready to pour it in the bowl now in the glue solution? Come on. Not yet? Okay, quick. Okay, pour it now.
Me?
Yes, you can pour.
Finish.
Yay! Come
Now
on, mix it. Use the stick because it might be hard.
This one?
Yes. Mix. Mix the cornstarch solution with the glue solution, and then keep on mixing it. Mix. It says that if it is too dry, add a little bit of water. Okay, but then first you have to mix it really well. We're done with the slime. So it's a combination of cornstarch, water, and a glue, and a glitter. So that's how gooey it is. They can just play however they want. And now they would like to use that LED light. What will happen? Okay, put the LED light now, guys.
Not yet.
What happened?
It turned off. It can turn off. Actually, I don't want to add it. Barking? You want your slime.
You want your slime? They said that you can put it in the middle and it will glow. What did not happen?
Yeah, it's a failure. It's gooey.
Gooey? Just like that? Oh, how about yeah, show that light. And then coat it. What will happen? Do you appreciate the glitter? Inside?
Wait.
Oh, so that happens, eh? Oh.
Mano, how did you do that?
Poke it again. Now that it's covered, poke it. Just poke it like that with a spoon. It needs more spoon. Poke it with a spoon.
I'm gonna add glue now. Can you tap it with a spoon?
Come on.
I wanna add it. Let's tap it with a spoon. No. Can you tap? Maybe I need more glue. It hurt like you cracked the egg.